Hey everyone, you're welcome back. To my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple way to rock your black plump lip. Well, if you want your lip to stay black, fine, you just use the other mix that I'm going to be using. But if you want your lip to turn pink, I have a scrub that would help you do that, and I have an oil that you're going to be using to moisturize your lip, and your lip is going to stay pink, plump, and really beautiful. Okay, so let me take you right into the video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and let's go see this. So have a very plump lip, and to rock your dark lip really well, if you want to as well lighten it up and make your lip look pink, we're gonna be needing to use this, and this is vitamin C. Okay, this is actually the vitamin C we take, and it's very good for the skin. So that's why we're gonna be using it, in scrubbing out the dead skin cells that has actually accumulated on the lip. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking 4 to 5 pieces of this vitamin C, and you can actually crush it any way you can. Okay, if you can just put it on the decks and just wipe it, and then it will get crushed, it is fine. But if you want to do it the way I'm doing it, it is still very fine. You have to make sure that it is very well crushed and it is smooth. Okay, so after we should crush it, we're going to be putting it into the bowl just like I did right now. And then the next ingredient, which is very important for this, is sugar. Now, because sugar has a smaller granite particle, guys, it's going to be very ideal to scrub out the dead skin cells on the lip. Yeah, so that's why we're actually using it, and it helps to glow the skin generally. So I'm going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of the sugar. And then what I like to do is that I like to mix my ingredients dry first of all, so that I won't have to stay too long in mixing it when it has actually become wet or moist or liquid, anyone. Okay guys, so we're going to be needing baking soda, and baking soda is a great remedy to scrub the skin with, because it helps lighten up the skin. So scrubbing with baking soda will help to exfoliate the lip, and then it will make it really soft, and also make it pink with time. So you're gonna be putting just a little of the baking soda, not too much. And after that is done, we'll do the same thing by mixing and stirring it all up together. Okay guys, so to make this liquid, we're going to be needing lemon. Now, lemon is citric in nature, and it is a vitamin C that helps to eradicate darkness on the lip, and it also helps so much in making the lip plump and also pink. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting just a little of the lemon, and then I'll be squeezing the juice into this mix. And then stays. Now why it is actually foaming right now is because of the baking soda, because when baking soda mixed with lemon, a reaction gets foamy, but with time it's gonna go down. So we're equally going to be needing to use Excel Vaseline. Now if you cannot get Excel Vaseline, you can equally use your Blue Seal Vaseline, but I recommend you use this Excel Vaseline because it helps to deposit the moist on your skin, or on your lip rather, and it also helps to make it really pink. Yeah, so we're gonna be using this alongside with this scrub. Okay, all right, so let's go do this. Hey, okay guys, so now look at my lips. I've actually not been applying lipstick on my lip of late because I kind of rock my natural lip because it's actually getting really pink and I'm really loving it. Yeah, so this is the treatment, and what you're gonna do here is that you're gonna take it and then you apply it onto your lip. Look at the way it is right now. Now I would have to be scrubbing this particular one so that you can see the difference. Yeah, because anytime you scrub there should be a difference as long as you mix this ingredients really well. So you can actually choose to scrub it in a circular motion, that way it's gonna be perfect. Scrub this part because most times this part used to have this darkness. You spread your lip really well so that it can scrub the line. You know that the lip has this line, so you scrub those lines. Can equally use your two hands just like I am doing right now. Okay, so when you finish scrubbing it, you don't leave it on for too long. You would have to go rinse it out. Now that is actually because of the baking soda, so I'm gonna go rinse this out and I'll be right back to show you how it is. Okay guys, so this is how my lip is. It's actually gotten really light, and you're gonna be using this Cousins Excel Vaseline. This particular one is actually very helpful for the lip. It actually helps so much to maintain the glow on your lip. Yeah, so after that you apply it just like that. Not too much though. When you apply it, it's gonna be looking really white, just like it's looking on my lip right now. Like that. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so anytime you scrub your lip, you use this. Now even if you don't scrub your lip, you can as well use this Vaseline. That is actually going to help to keep your lip moisturized, toned, and equally polished. Yeah, so try this out guys, you're gonna be loving it. Like it's gonna be soft. You know, there are some people that have cracked lips. This is actually going to prevent your lip from cracking whatsoever. Look at the lip, is really soft and really pink as well. Yeah, so it is actually very effective, trust me. So that's it, guys. It's actually very simple, and the oil is something that you just can get in the market and just keep it and be applying it. Right now I do not have no lipstick on my lip. I just applied the Excel Vaseline, and it has been amazing. It has been good. It has kept my lip plump, it has kept my lip soft, and it has always kept my lip really kissable, you know. Okay guys, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please endeavor to give me a like, subscribe here, and share. Share if it was helpful, and I would see you soon in another video. Stay beautiful and stay tuned in. Bye.